So Love Day is on the way. Happy Valentine's Day in advance if you're seeing this before. If you're seeing it after, it's okay because Love Day is every day, okay? Especially self-love. So today we are going to be designing, and as you can see, I got one, my pink and red for you. Today we're gonna be designing a Valentine's Day t-shirt together using bella+canvas, of course, because what is better, honestly? And shout out to bella+canvas too, by the way, because with the LA fires and everything else going on, y'all know I love me some bella+canvas, but the way that they showed love to LA, which is where their offices are, they had like a fire relief hub, just the way they showed up for the community and the way that they truly care about their customers really is, it's just love. And so we are going to be using bella+canvas today for our Valentine's Day shirts. And I'm excited because if you see this video before, then you have the opportunity to jump in for Valentine's Day, get a quick rush on sales. But if you're seeing this afterwards, it's never too late because there are a group of people who want to see Valentine's Day stuff every single day. And maybe even not like, you know, love with somebody else, maybe just self-love. Right? You could do a self-love shirt. So there's always an opportunity. And like I said about election shirts or holiday shirts, jump on the wave while it's hot so that you can get a lot of sales. All right. And of course, I got my pink phone case. And let me just first see kind of what shirt color I want to use. And of course, there is no shortage of the colors that are available for the bella+canvas tees. So we have berry, which I usually use, and that's a little bit more, has like a purple in it, so I don't really want that. Charity pink. Okay, I love a pinky pink. This one's just pink. It's a little lighter. We got fuchsia. We got poppy. Okay, so as you can see, there's a ton of options. Cardinal, this one in particular, the 3001, over 80 colors. Like, you can't really beat it. And don't let me just be super traditional on you. If you want to do a blue, okay, do a blue. If you want to do an orange, do an orange. It's your world, okay? I'm a pink girl, okay? I love pink. And so I'm looking for the pink. Now, of course, we're going to hurry up and get this designed. And if you see this before Valentine's Day and you just want to hurry up and start making sales, or even if you see it afterwards, you may just want to quickly hurry up and design this. So we can do this on a print-on-demand website. We can do it on Printful or Printify because bella+canvas is on either one. But I'm going to take a little detour. We're going to go to ChatGPT and we're going to get some ideas. Now, I'm not sure how you use ChatGPT, but my friend just put me on game. I had never used the little microphone before, and now that I've been using it, it's getting me together. So please give me 5 best-selling viral Valentine's Day t-shirt ideas that will make a ton of money. Okay, so come in, say whatever it is you need to say. You have to have the app for this. Okay, so number 1 is swipe right on love. That's cute. Number 2, love deposited, balance unlimited. Number 3, roses are red, violets are blue. I still owe you Chick-fil-A, boo. Number 4, Cupid's delivery service, love, kisses, and vibes. Number 5, taking but accepting gifts. That's gonna get somebody in trouble, but I'm not mad at these. And then you can play around. Oh, meme worthy. Let's see what they got for meme worthy options. Gas is high, so you getting this t-shirt too. I know that's right. My love language is snacks. So yeah, if you are like short on ideas, come on over to ChatGPT and come up with something cute. Cupid, we need to talk, be mine, terms and conditions apply. Like, I love these. So if you're somebody who you love, you could just come up with a Valentine's Day store and use all of these ideas, put them on Etsy, put them on TikTok Shop, put them on your Shopify, and have a 24/7, 365 Valentine's Day shirt. You can also do self-love options. Let me just type that in, just because I want you to get all the ideas. I am the love of my life, okay? Date yourself first. Flowers, nah, I bloom on my own. So yeah, just have fun. That's the whole point and purpose of like a t-shirt brand. To have fun, to feel the feels. When other people see the shirt and they're like, oh, I love that. Spoiling myself is my love language. So let me see which one I'm gonna choose, and we're gonna design our shirt together. I think I'm just gonna use Printify. So let's go on over there and see what we can do. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to catalog. I'm gonna go to women's clothing. I'm looking for a t-shirt. And do you know what we're looking for? The bella+canvas 3001. And sometimes they have different colors on the different websites. So make sure you check Printify, Printful, see if you can find your color, because you know I'm looking for something pink. Let me go ahead and see what colors we have available. Okay. Oh. All right, we got heather raspberry, we got red. Okay, we got soft pink. Let's just do pink. Okay. Boom. That's such a cute pinky pink. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start designing. Now you can do text. Remember, you can also go to Canva, use their templates. If you're on Printify, like I am right now, you can do text, AI, graphics, all of that. If you're on Printful, they have templates too, so you have lots of options, okay? So let's say I wanted to do swipe right on love. You could just type it in like this. All right, and then I'm gonna move it up. I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay, so boom, boom. We can make it as simple as that, okay? And then you can upload this to Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and start selling immediately. But it's a little basic for me, so let's see what AI can come up with for us. Let's see if I swipe right. Is it on love? Let me, yeah, swipe right on love, okay. Let me just see what they'll come up with for your girl. Okay. I don't hate it. I'm just gonna try it again. And when you wanna try it again, just hit generate image. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna get rid of my text behind us. Okay. And obviously the pink shirt, or there is a pink heart, so this can work with the pink. And again, I'm on my phone, so if you're doing this on a computer, it's gonna be a little bit easier, okay? But I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it'll be for us to make a cute Valentine's Day shirt, or something that's self-love or Valentine's Day year-round, all right? So here is our shirt. We are using our bella+canvas 3001, and boom, let's save it. And we got a white option and a pink option. So we're gonna go ahead and save that. And they have already filled everything in. You know, I'm gonna do a limited edition. Swipe right short sleeve tee. You already have all of the information about your bella canvas shirt here, and you can remix this, the classic unisex jersey short sleeve tee. Fits like a well-loved favorite. I like to remix it, so you can do that. I like to add a table to the description so that people know. You can do personalization if you want. I'm not. You want to go ahead and set your price, and then you will see whatever your profit is going to be. And then from there, you will literally upload your shirt to Etsy, to your Shopify. You can do a Printify pop-up. You can do TikTok shop, whatever you want to do, and your new Valentine's Day bella canvas tee is going to be a bestseller. All right. Like I said, just play around. If you want to do self-love, if you want to do Valentine's Day, if you want to jump in, any holiday or any like big time when we all on the same wave, it's the best time to do it. So hopefully this helped you come up with something cute and give you some ideas. Shout out to Bella Canvas. We love you over here, and I appreciate everything that you do. And let me know what questions, comments you guys have, and I'll see you in the next video.